on, 3, 2, 1.
First and foremost, her energy it's just extremely powerful. The moment she walked on the stage, she is captivating people, and it's not just her boots, but it's everything about her personality. And so I think for me, to know that she was instantly connecting with our group from the moment she walked on the stage was exciting.
She's so full of energy.
She has a lot of energy, and you can feel that out in the crowd.
So I want you to think about bravery like that. Whatever you put your intention, your focus on, that's what you learn, right? When you think brave conversations, I think about intention.
I think everything she gave it was really powerful.
That's what she's doing. She's bringing out the silver linings even in those tougher, difficult conversations.
I feel like she showed us an examples to how to start those conversations.
We can leave bravery to chance, or we can make a choice. Chance is easy. Choice, that's hard.
And essentially what it came down to is it is allowing people to go back and be the positive change that they want, whether in their own life, their family, their friends, their workplace.
So in my role, I really appreciated those that attended from our center and those 911 professionals across the state of Nebraska were able to take those action items away from Nicole's conversation.
How do we fix this? How do we help people be braver in having these conversations? And what I found in my research is that any conversation can come back to these 5.
We need to have those conversations with the employees and even our supervisors when there's an issue, even if we think it's going to be tough.
What do we need from each other? How do we know we have each other's back? And he ended up being one of the best leaders I ever worked for. And it wasn't because he had all this leadership stuff figured out. It's because it took time to have the conversations that matter.
She's fun. I mean, I know we did the dancing and I know that was meant to be silly, but it just really shows that you can do anything together as a team.
It was a breath of fresh air. I think so often people, between the stressors of life, the stressors of work, just the stress of maybe being at a conference and not always wanting to be there, or being in a session and not sure what you're going to get out of it. The vibe was that she wanted people to know, like, regardless of where you're at in life, you're going to walk away with something.
Our presence is the intervention that allows the change to happen. We can't control how the other person shows up. What we can control is how we show up in the conversations we are leading together. You influence the people around you with how you show up.
When we do have those, conversations that maybe make us a little uncomfortable in the moment, but really once we move past them and we have them, just builds upon the respect foundation and trust in any relationship.